The story is about the lives of two people. Queenie, a successful skincare entrepreneur in Kingston, a veteran furniture maker who will do anything to protect the lives they have worked so hard to achieve. Their families, their careers, and their dreams. Their worlds collide when an explosive first encounter turns them into instant rivals. What begins as a clash of pride quickly escalates into a chaotic and hilarious all-out war. Determined to outdo and sabotage one another, they become each other's worst enemies. But an unexpected turn of events forces them together, leading Queenie and Kingston to uncover the fears and wounds they have long tried to bury. Can two sworn enemies set aside their differences before their obsession with winning, and can their desire to prove they are right cost them everything they have worked for? The Greatest Showdown is a comedy film top billed by Vic Soto and Vice Ganda as lead actors. Jude Robles Lana as director and scriptwriter, Jumbo Albano, and produced by ABS-CBN Film Productions, Inc. The Idea First Company, APT Entertainment, Inc., and MZ Productions.